Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about antenna switcher. Of course, I have this old flimsy AB switch. Of course, you can see it's falling apart. This is a very old AB switch. So basically, what I want to do is on my FMDX web server, I want to be able to switch antennas. Of course, I have multiple antennas up there right now. I have two antennas right now, but I plan to add a third one in the future. And this is not going to cut it. Okay, it's not going to cut it. This is so old and just falling apart. So this is a simple AB switch. Of course, I ordered this yesterday from Amazon. This is a 3-position cable antenna switch box. So basically, it's a 3-device to one, it could be 3 antennas to 1 device or vice versa. So anyway, I ordered this one from Amazon. It's the Magnadyne, let me zoom in there. Magnadyne VCS 3-position cable antenna switch box. Okay. There you go. So let's open it up. And let's look for something like this, because this is what I want for my... Take this out. This is the box itself. Okay, so let me take it out the plastic. Of course, before I show you that, this is the cover. There's a cover for it. Also, you have some mounting screws. Got some mounting hardware there. And of course, an instruction booklet right here. This is the box itself. So it says Movie Vision TV Cable Satellite Antenna Selection Switch VCS-3. Because it got some rubber feet. It's pretty. It feels well made. It's plastic, but it feels well made. And this is the more important thing in the back. So you have 3 inputs and 1 output. Of course, they market this for TV, but I'm going to use this for my FMDX web server setup. So one of them is going to have the Yagi coming from the roof. The other one is going to be the FM the FM dipole that's coming from the roof. This is going to be the one that's pointing south to southwest. This one is pointing northwest. And then the third one eventually will be another antenna. I haven't decided which one yet. It might be the other Yagi if I ever fix that one. Or I might get another antenna later on in the future. And of course, this one's going to my TEF6686 radio online. Okay, so it's a simple antenna switch. Of course, this right here, I'm going to probably put a little label on it. I could print a little label. I just put Yagi on this one, or 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so you can see it's a very hard switch. Wow. Oh, yeah, there you go. Never mind. Okay, it's right there. So right now it's on TV antenna. This is cable TV. This is auxiliary satellite. So this will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so pretty simple. And of course, you got these holes here because you have a cover you can put. If you have this on a dashboard, you can put the cover on. I'm not going to use the cover. And then they also have these ears. They look like little rack-mounted ears. Let me look at that. Let me see how that looks. I'll take it out the bag. All right, so these are like rack-mounted little ears. So you can put on a rack mount or something. I'm not going to be doing this. I'm not going to need these. It's just going to be sitting on the top of a shelf. Okay, I think it's pretty cool. $24.95 on Amazon. I will put the link in the description for this 3-in-1 switch. Okay, it's well made. Hard plastic. It even has replacement rubber feet. So if these ever come out, I saw it around this somewhere. Of course, I don't know. Where is it at? Oh, it's right here. Replacement rubber feet. So that's pretty cool. So it does have rubber feet. So it won't slip. All right, so there you go. Pretty simple. 3 device to 1, or 3 antenna to 1 radio, or vice versa, or basically TV, cable, satellite antenna selection switch. And there you go. All right. So this is going to be in addition to my FMDX web server. And I can switch antennas with no problem. Before I had 2 antennas combined. I'm not going to be doing the combiner no more. I'm going to actually independently switch them. Okay. So there you go. If you like this video, please smash the like button. Also, share this video. And also subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.